Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all my dear students. I believe that all of you are so much well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In our online class from Sohitpur Cantonment Public School and College, at first I want to introduce myself. My identity is Muhammad Muhaiminul Kabir, Senior Teacher, Cantonment Public School and College, Sohitpur, Nilphamari. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 9 and 10. Before going to start my lesson, I would like to request you to look at the picture. You guess about the picture. In here there are two questions. What's the picture about? Probably your answer will be there are some renowned artists who sing songs and they gathered in a fixed place. Next question, where can we see this scene? We can see this scene at Ramna Bottomul, Dhaka. I believe that all of you are familiar with this picture. Dear students, again you look at another picture. There are two questions. What is it? First question answer will be there are some men and women who are wearing their festival dress and carry some mask. And next question, when can we see this? Answer is we see this at the first day of Bengali New Year, whenever Bengali nations observe this day with a festive mood. Thus in this day all the people must gather in a particular place and they bring out a procession. So seeing this picture, can you guess what our today's topic is? You just think about it. Yes, your thinking is correct. Our today's lesson is Pohela Boishakh, Unit 3, Lesson 6. Before going to start the text, I would like to introduce with you some familiar difficult words. I think that this word is unknown to you. So, first keywords, traditional. What is the meaning of traditional? Traditional means following or belonging to the custom or basic. In here there is a picture. Seeing this picture, we understood that it's a panta ilish and it's our traditional foods. The next word is ethnic. There are some ethnic people live in our country. Ethnic means a particular race of people who are different from the other people of the country. That means tribe. Most of the tribe people or ethnic people live in Hill Tracts district and their everything is completely different from ours. Their culture, their dress is completely different from normal people of Bangladesh. Next word, Festive. Festive means delighted or gleeful or merry. There is a picture, a girl having or producing happy and enjoyable feelings suitable for a special occasion. He wears some dresses and very festive look. The next word, procession. Procession means march or transit. Another meaning, procession means a number of people moving forward in an orderly fashion, especially as part of a country. In the first day of Bangla Noboborsho, all Bengali nations bring out a procession. To celebrate this day, we bring out a procession in the street of Dhaka and some other city all over the country. Around the country, we bring out processions. That is called Mongol Shobhajatra. Dear students, now open your book. We are going to read the text. It's the text. Poila Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. The day has a special significance for us as if it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious beliefs, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mood. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes and inspirations. Every year, the day is celebrated traditionally. People wake up early in the morning, have a bath and wear traditional clothes. Women wear white saris with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful churis and flowers, while men dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. On the most colorful events of the day is held in Dhaka. Early in the morning, people in hundreds and thousands pour in from all directions to attend the cultural function at Ramna Bottomul organized by Synod. The cultural program begins just at sunrise and the renowned artists of the country take part in the program that starts with the famous Tagore song Esho He Boishakh, Esho Esho. Artists also sing traditional folk songs and perform classical dances to the rhythm of musical instruments. People also come to join the colorful processions, the biggest carnival of the country, organized by the fine arts students of Dhaka University. The procession usually displays the traditional practices of Bengali culture. The mask and wreaths worn by the people are so fascinating. Often they symbolize contemporary worries or happiness in the national life. It attracts an increasing number of foreign tourists every year. The day is also observed all over the country. Different social and cultural organizations and educational institutions celebrate the day with their own cultural programs. On this day, newspapers bring out special supplements. There are also special programs on the radio and television. The celebration of Poila Boishakh marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation. Dear students, I believe that all of you have understood the text. In the Poila Boishakh, all Bengali people, all Bangladeshi people celebrate this day with significantly. On this day, people wear special dress, pajama Punjabis. The renowned organizations, educational institutions and people of the country arrange different types of functions, cultural functions, Boishakhi fair also. In this day, daily newspaper also published special supplements to print different kinds of news and views, different kinds of culture of different peoples, etc. And radio and television and different channels also telecast some lives for the day of Poila Boishakh. That means Poila Boishakh is a very important day for the people of Bangladesh. And in this day, we also arrange special food in our house. Some people go to procession, some people who are staying at home, they also maybe watch television, and in the television also telecast the live programs for the celebration of Poila Boishakh. Okay, now dear students, we are going to practice some MCQ type questions from this text. Look at this question. There are 5 multiple choice questions, and every item of question 4 options, and you have to find out which one is the correct answer. We read the first. The day of Poila Boishakh is a non-holiday, government holiday, private holiday, working day. You think it. And which of the following statement is true? Poila Boishakh is a working day. People of certain religions celebrate the day. It is a day of the whole Bengalis. People celebrate the day normally. And C number question, on this day, Dhaka looks the most dash in the country. Colorful, pale, faded, beautiful. How is the day celebrated? With traditional food, singing traditional songs, with traditional activities, visiting relatives. And last E number, in this day people meet each other, forget enmity, gather in one place, forget the past and start a new life with hope and inspiration. Dear students, before choosing the correct answer, there are many options in here. Maybe some option is partially correct and some options are 100% correct. So you think the options very carefully, then you have to select, and every item you have to read very carefully. In our text, we read Poila Boishakh is a public holiday. Public holiday means the day of Poila Boishakh is a government holiday. Answer will be 2. And B number, which of the following statement is true? In here answer will be 3. It is a day of the whole Bengalis. And C number, on this day Dhaka looks the most colorful in the country. How is the day celebrated? Answer will be 3, with traditional activities. And last one, in this day people forget the past and start a new life with hope and inspiration. And all answer you will get in here. These are the correct answer of the multiple choice question. Dear student, now we are going to take another test. It is one kind of test item, and we have a phobia to fill up the blanks. Reading that text, whatever we understood, that thing you have to put a suitable word from the text. Just we read the text. The word Poila Boishakh means the first, and Boishakh is the dash month of Bangla calendar. The day is observed not dash in Bangladesh but dash in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also dash in Australia and the UK. In Australia, the largest dash for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Poila Boishakhi Mela, held dash Sydney Olympic Park. In England, the Bengalis dash celebrate the day with a street dash in London. It is the dash Asian festival in Europe, dash Bangladesh and West Bengal. You think which word will be the suitable word for the gaps? Now dear student, look at this. Answer will be, the first word will be the first, the word Poila Boishak. Poila means the first and Boishak is the first month of Bangla calendar. The day is observed not only where we use not only, there we also use but also. So in here only, not only in Bangladesh but also in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also observed in Australia and the UK. In Australia, the largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Boishakhi Mela, held in Sydney Olympic Park. In England, the Bengalis also celebrate the day with a street procession in London. It is the traditional Asian festival in Europe, upholding Bangladesh and West Bengal. These are the correct suitable word for the gaps. Not only this word will be the correct one. If you get any synonymous word for this gap, you can put that word also in this gap, and your answer also, your answer will be also correct if you put some synonymous word. Okay, dear students, I think that all of you have understood all things very clearly. I would like to give you thanks. Next day we meet you again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.